Hey there, money-savvy friends. Ever feel like your wallet's playing hide and seek with your cash? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of expense tracking, and trust me, it's not as scary as it sounds. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss out on more financial tips and tricks. Now, picture this. You're standing in line at your favorite coffee shop, ready to treat yourself to that delicious latte. But suddenly, panic sets in. Can you really afford this? Where did all your money go this month? If this sounds familiar, stick around because I am about to share 5 super easy ways to track your expenses and take control of your finances. First up, let's talk about the good old-fashioned pen and paper method. I know, it sounds like something your grandparents would do, but hear me out. There's something oddly satisfying about physically writing down your expenses. It's like you're telling your money, I see you, and I know exactly where you're going. Plus, it's budget-friendly and doesn't require any fancy tech skills. Just grab a notebook, jot down your daily expenses, and voila! You're already on your way to better money management. But wait, what if you're more of a digital dynamo? Well, fear not, because our second method is perfect for all you tech-savvy spenders out there. Enter the world of budgeting apps. These little financial wizards can turn your smartphone into a powerful expense tracking tool. Apps like Mint, Why You Need a Budget, or Personal Capital can sync with your bank accounts, categorize your spending, and even send you alerts when you're getting close to your budget limits. It's like having a personal financial advisor right in your pocket. Now, for our third method, let's get a little creative. Have you ever thought about using a bullet journal to track your expenses? It's like combining the best of both worlds, the tactile satisfaction of writing things down and the flexibility to customize your tracking system. You can create beautiful spreads to visualize your spending, set financial goals, and even add some fun stickers to make budgeting feel less like a chore and more like an art project. Who said managing money can't be fun and pretty? Alright, moving on to method number 4, and this one's for all you spreadsheet enthusiasts out there. That's right, we're talking about the mighty Excel or Google Sheets. These tools are like the Swiss Army knives of expense tracking. You can create custom categories, use formulas to automatically calculate your totals, and even make colorful charts to visualize your spending habits. And the best part, you can access your spreadsheet from anywhere, making it super easy to update on the go. Last but definitely not least, our fifth method is perfect for those who want to keep things simple and automated. Have you considered using your bank's built-in expense tracking features? Many banks now offer categorization tools and spending insights right within their mobile apps or online banking platforms. It's like having a financial GPS that tells you exactly where your money has been and where it is heading. Plus, since it's directly linked to your accounts, you don't have to worry about manually inputting every transaction. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but how do I choose the right method for me? Well, here's a little secret. You don't have to pick just one. In fact, combining a couple of these methods can give you an even clearer picture of your finances. Maybe you use a budgeting app for day-to-day tracking, but keep a bullet journal for your long-term financial goals. Or perhaps you start with pen and paper to get into the habit, then graduate to a spreadsheet once you're comfortable with the process. The key is to find a system that works for you and stick with it. Remember, tracking your expenses isn't about restricting yourself or feeling guilty about every purchase. It's about understanding your spending habits so you can make informed decisions and reach your financial goals. Whether you're saving up for a dream vacation, trying to pay off debt, or just want to feel more in control of your money, knowing where every dollar goes is the first step to financial freedom. And here's a bonus tip. Make it fun. Set challenges for yourself, like seeing how much you can save on groceries this month or finding free activities to replace some of your usual expenses. You could even turn it into a game with your friends or family, seeing who can stick to their budget the best. Trust me, once you start seeing the results of your tracking efforts, you'll be hooked. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: consistency. I get it, starting a new habit can be tough, especially when it comes to money. But here's the thing, you don't have to be perfect. If you forget to track an expense one day, don't beat yourself up about it. Just pick up where you left off and keep going. The more you do it, the more natural it will become, and before you know it, you'll be a pro at managing your finances. Remember, tracking your expenses is just one piece of the financial puzzle. It's a powerful tool that can help you identify areas where you might be overspending, find opportunities to save, and ultimately achieve your money goals. But it's not about depriving yourself or living on a shoestring budget. It's about making conscious choices and aligning your spending with your values and priorities. So whether you're a cash envelope enthusiast, a digital devotee, or somewhere in between, there's an expense tracking method out there that's perfect for you. The most important thing is to start. Take that first step. Choose a method that appeals to you and give it a try. You might be surprised at how empowering it feels to take control of your finances. And hey, if you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure where to start, don't worry. We've all been there. Remember, personal finance is just that, personal. What works for someone else might not work for you, and that's okay. The journey to financial wellness is a marathon, not a sprint, so be patient with yourself and celebrate the small victories along the way. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that tracking your expenses is just the beginning. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, you can start making informed decisions about your money, setting realistic financial goals, and working towards the life you want to live. It's not just about saving money. It's about creating a life that aligns with your values and dreams. So, there you have it, folks. 5 easy ways to track your expenses and take control of your financial future. Which method are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips and tricks. Remember, your financial journey is unique, and every step you take towards better money management is a step in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we dive even deeper into the world of personal finance. Until then, keep tracking those expenses and watch your savings grow.